Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to answer which one is the better dividend stock to buy right now. Is it Costco stock or Target stock? To answer that question, I'll look at 4 financial metrics and then I'll answer which one is the better dividend stock to buy. Let's get right into it, starting with the dividend yield. Target offering investors a dividend yield of 3.24%. Meanwhile, Costco offering investors a dividend yield of 0.7%. I will note, however, Costco is known for paying investors a special dividend from time to time. That is not um, regular, right? Target's dividend is more regular, quarterly, they pay it. Costco has a regular dividend, and then on top of that, if they have an especially good performance, they pay a special dividend on top of their regularly scheduled dividend, which could boost the dividend yield higher than what is stated. The next thing I wanted to look at with these two dividend stocks is their revenue. And looking at the trailing 12-month revenue, you can see Costco's growth has been better than Target's over the last decade. And that goes to highlight Costco's business model versus Target's business model. Costco focuses on selling the same item at a lower profit margin more frequently. Target is okay with selling that item less frequently but making a higher profit on each sale. And you'll see that when I show you the next chart, which is their operating profit margin over the trailing 12 months. Ignore this part past 2022 for a moment here, so I can highlight this point. If you look at Target compared to Costco's operating profit margin in the trailing 12 month from 2024 all the way to 2020, you notice Target is considerably more profitable than Costco. And it's because of the business model choice that I mentioned earlier. Target prefers to sell items at higher profit margins, whereas Costco prefers to sell the same item, lower profit, more frequently, which you can argue, you can decide which one is the better business model. It's clear, however, that Costco has generated the stronger customer loyalty over the decades by offering better value, by offering better prices. That's why customers keep going back to Costco. They have an over 90% membership renewal rate, and that demonstrates how effective Costco's strategy of selling items at low profit, higher frequency has been. Now, also, I wanted to discuss the drop here for Target's operating profit margin. This is a short-term issue because Target overbought inventory during the middle stages of the pandemic. Remember, there was all those shortages, so Target wanted to get ahead of that and overinvested in inventory, and now they're having to offer discounts to get rid of that inventory to make room for newer, fresher inventory, and that's why Target's profit margin has been pressured in the last few quarters. But I suspect that Target's profit margin will recover to its long-term trend line of around 6% over the next 4 or 6 quarters. Finally, I wanted to compare these two on valuation, and judging by the forward price to earnings ratio, Costco stock is considerably more expensive at a forward PE of 34 compared to a forward PE of 13 for Target stock. So Target stock much cheaper than Costco stock. Now, if I was to pick between these two dividend stocks today, I would pick Target stock. I like that it's trading at a much cheaper valuation than Costco stock. While I will admit that Costco is a better merchant than Target, they've just been better at merchandising, which is what the core of a retailer does. However, I don't want to pay almost a 3 times valuation for Costco stock compared to Target stock. If they were selling at the same valuation, I would clearly go with Costco, but they're not. Costco is way more expensive in this financial metric. So, for that reason, I would go with Target stock as my choice for the better dividend stock to buy. All right, but that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.